Fully servo CNC for head corner crimping production line. Fully servo control, tool automatic adjustment, frame and sash continuous crimping, no need adjustment, quick change frame. High precision and high efficiency. Quick change tool. Fully automatic crimping tool adjustment. Automatic translation of crimping position. Automatic control of crimping depth. Double ball screw driven. Faster movement and more accurate positioning. Smart control. Easy operation. Frame and sash continuous crimping, no need for manual adjustment, quick and seamless changing. Intelligent control machining. Skin coat processing. Q for corner crimping. Fully servo controlled synchronous corner crimping. Servo corner crimping, synchronous and high efficiency. Smart control, high efficiency and perfect quality. Tianjin Corporation, leading the new thinking of door and window manufacturing with innovation.